Yes, sir. So after 8 months of waiting on a part, finally here. Look how this thing. No hook now. YouTube, what's going on? Which is your guy, KoolDad, back again with White Lightning, White Thunder, White Ghost, whatever you want to call my truck. But man, it's so good to have this truck back right here, up and running and doing what it was supposed to do, and that's haul me around. But it's been sitting for 8 months. If y'all can look at and remember all my videos, you'll see my vehicle sitting there with a flat tire. I got everything done. Flat tire, I got everything done. So now I have to get this here paint work done. I'm gonna bring you guys in and I'm gonna show y'all exactly what's going on with this here paint. So without further ado, I hope y'all enjoy that video. And that's the only thing I gotta tell y'all, YouTube. Get over here! Look, man. Sheesh. Look how this thing look, man. I'm just letting y'all see how this thing look. Gee, wheel lookers bad, man. Wheel lookers bad, man. It was doing the best it could do, sitting. Man. The reflection and gloss still here. It's just I have to get this surface dirt from sitting. First bath, 8 months. Been down since January. Sheesh. Let's go on and get to it, man. Golly. So this is after just pressure washing. I'm about to come in with some APC, some all-purpose cleaner. Clean it up. Let it dwell, then come back in with a pressure wash after the APC, and then from there I'm gonna do like probably a pre-soak, a pre-wash. Get all this grime, like I said, get all this grime off before I put my mitt to it. So Cash out here working, man. Look at that shit, man. Slime and guck, man. Look at that, man. I gotta shake. Look at the dragonfly, still love it. He getting some water. Let me go on and get this here going, man. Time for some Car Pro reset. Let's go. Yes, sir. Here we go. Man, look at that. The shake back is real. The shake back is real. Sheesh. The shake back is real. My fault was abandoned for at least a real 8 months, or 7.5, almost 8 months. Now look at it. She back reflecting. Black glossy, black shiny, back protected. And this only just step one. I got a lot more that I want to do to it. Like I need to do these trims because they didn't got faded. Need to re-black this. It's not faded yet, but it's getting there. So I want to redo that, redo all my, basically all my black, but that's another video. Man, yes sir.
12 seconds later.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cash of KoolDadCarCare, and I just want to say I forgot to film my outro, so here's the outro. Man, it's been a while since I've driven my truck. I love my truck. My truck is there for hauling. It hauls. I take it on road trips. I do the whole shebang. So to have my truck back is a plus. But to have you all at this part of the video is also a plus. So I just want to say I appreciate each and every one of y'all for staying tuned, sticking through, being a member, subscribing to the channel, supporting the channel, supporting me with everything that I do. I just want to say I appreciate y'all. And it's November. Today is November 1. Don't forget to get out there and vote. I don't care who you vote for, just vote. And also in November 18th is Cash Day. So on November 18th, go on any of my videos, tell me happy birthday. Go to my social medias, tell me happy birthday. And don't forget, that is the official Cash Day celebration, November 18th. Do not forget. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. I love each and every one of y'all. Y'all stay groovy. I'ma stay groovy, and I'ma keep editing and making movies. Peace, love, and happiness.